Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and whispering woods, there lived a group of curious children named Timmy, Lily, and Ben. Every day after school, they would venture into the forest to explore its secrets, guided by their insatiable curiosity. One sunny afternoon, as they ventured deeper into the woods than ever before, they stumbled upon a clearing they had never seen. In the center of the clearing stood a peculiar tree with branches twisted like gnarled fingers, and beneath it sat a girl, her face hidden behind a cascade of dark curls. Timmy, Lily, and Ben exchanged puzzled glances but were drawn to the girl's mysterious presence. Timmy, the boldest of the trio, approached her cautiously. "Hello there," he said, his voice filled with curiosity. "What are you doing here all alone?" The girl looked up, her eyes sparkling with an otherworldly gleam. "I am the guardian of these woods," she replied in a melodious voice. End quote. "I watch over its secrets and protect its inhabitants." Lily's eyes widened with wonder. "Are you a fairy?" she asked in a hushed tone. The girl smiled enigmatically. "Some call me a fairy, while others call me a guardian spirit. I am simply here to ensure the balance of nature." Ben, ever the skeptic, crossed his arms. "But how do we know you're telling the truth?" The girl's laughter tinkled like wind chimes. "You must trust in what your heart tells you, young one. The truth lies within." Intrigued by the girl's words, the children spent the rest of the afternoon chatting with her, sharing stories, and